Hi, how are you doing? In this simple tutorial, I'll be showing you how to convert questions that you already have in your Google Doc into Google Form format. Alright, for simplicity, I'll be introducing this idea called exit ticket where you have a few questions at the end of the lesson for students to answer, alright, before they can go. Okay. Besides questions from doc to form, I'll be also showing you how you can import questions that you already have in a Google form into the Google form that you want. Okay, yep. So two functions from Google Doc to Google Form, and from form import from another form.
I'll be uploading more videos on Edu Tech tutorials, like simple ways of creating fun activities on forms, Google Slides, and all Google Suites functions. Alright, if you are interested to be notified firsthand of videos uploaded, please click subscribe at the bottom or click this subscribe on top. Right, let's begin. Now I'll be creating a post-lesson questionnaire as an exit ticket in Google Form. So what we can do is a new method of creating Google Form, a shorter method directly from Google Doc, is to use an add-on Doc to Form, right? Directly from here, you can transfer the answer into a form, but you need to download or get the add-on first by clicking Get Add-on, right? Just search for Doc to Form. Okay, you find this, just click on it, and then you ask you for installation. And however, some computer may be restricted, and we may need to get the help from IT. Alright, so once you download that, okay, you can just straight away click on Create Form from Doc. A panel on the right will come up, alright, and that allows you to transfer the question straight away. Alright, and you may want to ask for name, okay, and how to transfer file. The question is very simple. You just have to highlight the question, right, and use the selected. Click on use selected text. The question will be immediately put in, right? And you may need to choose the type of question. If it's MCQ, then you may need to click MCQ. If you need long answer, you may want to click on paragraph. Okay, so I would like to use the other add on the second question by clicking add question. Sorry. Highlight. See how simple it is. Just highlight and click on use selected text, and then I will click on paragraph again. Okay, so that's another way of creating a form. I would like to show you later for the last question how I can also import questions from other forms. Okay, so let's just end with these two by clicking create form. Okay, wait for it to download. Okay, once it's done, okay, I would advise that you view the form so that you know where the form is created. Okay, the location is not stated until here. Yeah, so how do you find the location of the form that is created here? You go to this icon here, which is the file. Alright, click on the file. Okay, so what you can do is you transfer it. This is to move the file. Transfer it over to your wherever you have saved all your other worksheets for that particular lesson on water crisis. Okay, so what I do is I want to transfer it here. Okay, I just click on move here. Okay, so it will be there. What I do is I quickly go into that folder. You can refresh, and you will see it here. Okay, water in from G form. Okay, just double click. Then you see that the questions are here. What's one important thing that you feel you learned in the lesson, and did you feel prepared? So there was a third question, remember? Okay, so this third question I would like to show how we can import it from another file. Okay, by clicking this import questions. Alright, this is a new feature by Google this year. Okay, so you click on that, and I actually prepared that question in a resource. Okay, Okay, water crisis question resource. Okay, so it will show me all the questions that I have inside this file. Then this is the third question that I wanted. What would help make today's lesson more effective? And I just click on it. This function helps to be able to recycle questions that you have created, and save a lot of time. So just click import, and the third question is right down here. No, up here. The third question is up here. You just have to click on the 6 dots and then move it down to the bottom because it's meant to be the last question. Or move this up to the top. Yep. So last question is here. Okay, cool. Okay, so important to make sure that you have a name attached to all file. Okay, and also one thing to take note, just ensure that all questions are clicked off this required function. If you don't need them to fill in everything before they submit. Okay, so they save time during the exit. Or if you want them to be able to do or to finish all before they go, then you click on required file. The name ought to be required, so that they will not leave it out and you know who is it. Okay, cool. That's all for the preparation of this exit ticket. One more thing for the exit ticket, it's good to have name similar to the file that you'll be naming it in the classroom. So make it consistent by copying the file name. Okay, and making sure the file name is also the same, right?
There you go. The form is ready to be issued or sent to your students or your kids to answer the questions, right? So if you like to learn more of such useful tips on how to create interesting or fun learning activities, please click subscribe at the bottom, right? And you will be first to be notified if there's any new videos uploaded. Or you can also click on this circle here to subscribe or any of the other videos around, right, for other useful tips. Enjoy and have fun. Take care.